I was born into the bridal industry, raised in my family's bridal salon. My father is one of the most sought-after bespoke bridal gown designers in Los Angeles. Being a bridal expert, I have styled thousands of brides and have answered infinite questions about bridal beauty, fashion, vendors, lifestyle, and now I'm going to introduce you to the best in the industry. I'm here to help you with all your questions for this significant milestone in your life. I've teamed up with Enzoani, one of the world's leading bridal fashion houses that can be found in over 60 countries, as their brand ambassador. I'm Arsine Edjhuryan, and this is Real Bride.
Hi everyone, I'm Arsine Edjhuryan, and you're watching Real Bride by Enzoani. And on today's episode, we'll be talking about bridal hair here in Glendale, California, with the amazing Lara CK at Studio K. So I'd like everybody to meet Lara CK, owner of Studio K, and she's going to be telling us some do's and don'ts for bridal hair. So Lara, all these years and experience with bride, give them a little do's and don'ts. What should they be doing and avoiding for their big day?
Well, one of the biggest tips I could recommend for all of my brides is please do a trial. We don't want you to look like somebody else on your wedding day, and we don't want you to try something new out. So I highly recommend you get comfortable with your bridal hairstylist and set up a trial and move forward from then on.
What is a don't for somebody's big day?
A biggest don't is, this is my biggest pet peeve, don't be fashionably late on your own wedding day.
I was actually a whole hour early on my wedding day.
Really?
And everybody was so shocked because I'm always late. I woke up at 4:30 a.m. I know,
wow,
crazy.
That's crazy.
But I was like standing there and everybody's like, she's on time. Like,
why is she here? But yeah, it's better to be early than late. Another don't do it yourself. I know before your wedding you're feeling anxious and you keep looking at yourself in the mirror trying to see what you could change.
I mean, think about it. Does your fiance want you, some random blonde walking down the aisle when he's been dating a brunette this whole time?
Absolutely not. You want to look like yourself on your wedding day. So please don't do anything dramatic like she just said. So don't make a dramatic change.
Don't go to the store and buy some random product over the counter when you've never even tried it before. Go to a professional.
Another important thing is headpieces. Please pick your hairstyle prior to buying your headpiece.
I highly agree. So if you're confused on what kind of headpiece you want, I would suggest going with something more flexible, such as this one, where it could be worn as a tiara, a headband, it could be braided into the hair, and it's very lightweight. Compared to this one, where it's very stiff, it could probably be only worn as a tiara, like a little princess. Looks so cute. So yeah, definitely, if you're not sure, go with the flexible kind.
Another neat thing is please make sure you're comfortable in your headpiece because you're going to be wearing it all day long. So you don't want to have a headpiece that's too heavy, giving you a migraine or a headache throughout the day. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a traditional classic hairstyle. A lot of my brides get confused on what to do with their hair, so the classic hairstyle is the best thing to go with.
Thank you for watching Real Bride, brought to you by Enzoani. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like below. Stay tuned because we'll be having a giveaway soon. See you next time.